start with the sixth question. The number 507 is not divisible by 7. They have given you that this number 507 is not divisible by 7. Then is it divisible by 21? They are asking you कि ये 507 है वो 7 से तो divisible नहीं है. But can this number 507 be divisible by 21? If not, you have to, or if yes, you have to give the reason for it. अगर हाँ बोल रहे तो भी you have to give reason why yes, and if no, why no. So let us understand first. 21 and 7 के बीच का relation. Does 21 come in the table of 7? 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. Yes, so I get 21 equal to 7 3s are. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. So if this number 507 is not divisible by 7, that is this 7, it cannot be divisible by 21, right? So for a number, see I'll give you a simple check. अगर 7 के साथ divisible है and 3 के साथ भी divisible है तो वो 21 के साथ divisible होगा. Getting it? So 21, when I break 21, it will be 7 multiplied by 3. Okay? So if a number that is 507 is divisible by 7 and is also divisible by 3, then I can say that this number is divisible by 21. But over here, as 507 is not divisible by 3, even though it may be divisible by 3, 507 is not divisible by 7, that is given in the question. Even though 507 will be divisible by 3, then also it cannot be divisible by 21 because दोनों factors पे वो divisible होना चाहिए. It should be divisible by 7 also and it should be divisible by 3 also. But as 507 is not divisible by 7, I can say that 507 is not divisible by 21. So clear with it? As 507 is not divisible by 7, it will not be divisible by 21. Now the seventh question. In the seventh question they are asking you write the smallest and the biggest 3-digit prime number. We have learned what is a prime number. Prime number is the number that has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So they are asking you the smallest 3-digit prime number and the largest 3-digit prime number. So 3-digit number start कहाँ से होते हैं 100. बट 100 तो 50 के टेबल में आता है, 2 के टेबल में आता है, 5 के टेबल में आता है, 10 के टेबल में आता है. Means it is not a prime number because it is a composite number. So after 100, which is the next 3-digit number, it is 101. And we all know it is a prime number. We have learned, right? So 101 is the first or the smallest 3-digit prime number. So I can say that 101 is the smallest prime number. Then 3-digit numbers. See, smallest we have found. The smallest 3-digit prime number is 101. But what about the biggest? They are asking you the biggest 3-digit prime number also. So the smallest is this. Biggest, largest 3-digit number कौन सा है? 999, right? इसके बाद 1000 आता है जो 4-digit number है. So the largest 3-digit number is what? I am not talking about prime number. Just 3-digit number is 999, right? अब मैं इसको अगर 3 से डिवाइड करूँ तो क्या आएगा मुझे? 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. I'll get 333. Means 999 3 से divisible है. If you divide it by 9, you will get 111. 111. Means this number is also divisible by 9 and it may be divisible by many other numbers, right? So this is not a prime number, it is a composite number. वो 3 के टेबल में भी आ रहा है, 9 के टेबल में भी आ रहा है, बहुत सारे टेबल्स में आएगा. So this is not a prime number. And they are asking us what? They are asking us prime numbers. So 999, even though it is the biggest 3-digit number, it is not a prime number. So 999 नहीं आएगा. Then what about 998? As I already told you, even numbers at the end are all composite numbers. So without having a check, ये 2 से divisible होगा ही. Let us check then 2. If I divide it by 2, then 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 19, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. So 9 over here, 1 over here, 2 9s are 18. The answer will be 499. So can you see this? This number is divisible by 2. Remember, every even number at the end will be divisible by 2. So ये 2 से तो divisible है ही. So this is also not possible. So 999 से हमने चेक किया, ये composite है तो ये prime number नहीं है. फिर 998 से चेक किया, this is also composite number, it is not a prime number. अभी इससे छोटा 997, right? We will check with this, and when you check with this, you will understand that this is the prime number. ये किसी के भी टेबल में नहीं आता except 1 and 997 itself. So I can say that this is what? This is a prime number. So the largest 3-digit prime number is what? 9, 9 and 7. So this is smallest, this is biggest. Smallest 3-digit number is 101 and the largest is 997. So we are done with the exercise with question number 6 and question number 7. Now we will start with the fourth exercise. But before starting with the fourth exercise, we have to learn some concept. The first concept is twin prime pairs. What is the meaning of twin prime pairs? Twin prime pairs means जो prime numbers, ऐसे prime numbers जिनका difference 2 हो. For example, 3 and 5. 3 is a prime number. 5 is also a prime number. That is why we got the number as prime. Pairs means what? They are a pair, right? Pair means 2. So I have 2 numbers forming a group, that is a pair. So I have 3 and 5, that is prime pairs. But twin means difference of 2. Twins means 2, right? जैसे कि आप दो अगर exact मतलब 2 babies born together are called twins. Why twins? Because they are 2 numbers together. So they are talking about 2. Twins means 2. So when I subtract 3 from 5, 5 minus 3 gives me what? 5 minus 3 gives me 2. So that is what the word twins mean. Twin means. So over here they are asking you the prime numbers, such 2 prime numbers that their difference is 2. So this is what twin prime pairs means. We will solve the first question and then we will understand the second concept, which is co-primes. Okay, so first we will finish off with twin prime pairs. The first question of this exercise, that is exercise number 4. Write all twin prime pairs between 1 to 100. They are asking you all prime pairs, that is pair of 2 prime pairs कि उनका difference 2 आना चाहिए, मतलब बीच में एक जो number है वो composite होगा. Getting it? So let us start. The first, as I told you, is 3 and 5. 3 and 5 दोनों भी prime numbers है, दोनों भी किसी और के टेबल में नहीं आते except 1 and the number itself, right? And दोनों के बीच का difference भी 2 है. The next is, I'll segregate these pairs with the semicolon and pairs will be written with a simple comma. Okay? So 3 and 5. Now another pair is 5 and 7. 5 and 7 दोनों भी prime numbers है, right? 5 के टेबल में आता है, 1 के टेबल में आता है, और किसी टेबल में नहीं आता. 7 1 के टेबल में आता है, 7 के टेबल में आता है, और किसी टेबल में नहीं आता. Means they both are prime, right? Prime numbers forming a pair of 2. That is, they both are coming together. And twin means difference. 7 minus 5 give me how much? 2. So this is another pair. Now another one. और एक pair है, वो है 11 and 13. Can you see this numbers? 11 is a prime number, 13 is a prime number. If suppose मैं 10 लूँ तो 10, ठीक है? 10 is not a prime number, so I cannot take 10. So 11 दिया. ऐसे you have to trial and error method. When I take 8 is not a prime number, so 8 को नहीं ले सकती मैं. 9 is also not a prime number, so I cannot take 9. 10 is also not a prime number, so 11. Like that way you have to go on till you get a pair. So 13 के बाद 14 नहीं prime number नहीं है. 15 is not a prime number. 16 is not a prime number. 17. See, look over here. इस pair को भी देखो. Pair means 2. They are couples, right? They both are coming together. Segregated with a comma and difference. Different. Twin means what? They both are prime number. And twin means what? The difference should be 2. So 13 minus 11 जब मैं करती हूँ, I get the answer as 2. So it defines twin. They both are prime numbers and they are forming a pair. So it is what? Twin prime pairs. Now again segregate with a comma. फिर मैंने 17 देखा था. 17. Okay, 17 is a prime number. 18 not required. 19. अभी 17 और 19 को देखो, अल्टरनेट नंबर्स राइट. सो 17 एंड 19 आर अल्टरनेट नंबर्स, बीच में एक नंबर 18 है, तो 18 को वी आर ड्रॉपिंग बिकॉज डिफरेंस मुझे कितना चाहिए ट्विन के लिए 2 का. सो 19 माइनस 17 gives me 2 राइट, and 17 is a prime number, 19 is also a prime number, so they can form a group right. So I can say that 17 and 19, so they both form a pair, that is twin prime pair. फिर 20 not possible, 21 also not possible, it is a composite number, 22 not possible, 23 possible, 24 not possible, 25, 23 and 25 का एक पैर बन सकता है, बट 25 composite number है, प्राइम नंबर है ही नहीं, तो 21 25 का 23 25 का ग्रुप नहीं बन सकता. ओके, सो वी आर एलिमिनेटिंग 23 एंड 25. 23 इज अ प्राइम नंबर बट 25 तो कंपोजिट है ना, तो दोनों का ग्रुप नहीं बन सकता बिकॉज व्हाट बोथ द नंबर शुड बी प्राइम नंबर राइट. सो 23 एंड 25 कैन नॉट बी. 26 इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. 27 नो, 27 आल्सो कैन नॉट कम. 28 not possible. 29, yes, 29 is a prime number. Then 30 is not a prime number. 31 because this is alternate number चाहिए ना, so when I am selecting 29 I will select 31. Getting it? So 29 and 31 both are prime numbers right. उनका difference कितना आता है? 31 minus 29, it gives me 2, so they can both form a pair and be called as twin prime pairs. So I am writing 29 and 31 right. So this both form a group, they form a pair and it is known as twin prime pair because the difference is also 2 and they are both are prime numbers. Then moving on further, segregating with a comma, 31 के बाद 40 not possible. When you go on like that now you will find 41 and 43 another pair. ये दोनों prime numbers है, दोनों 1 के टेबल में ही आते हैं, सिर्फ common factor should be 1. Okay, so they both have a common factor 1. Another thing, the difference should be 2. So 43 minus 41 gives me how much? 2. So we are fulfilling two conditions. They have common factor 1, right? And their difference is also 2 and they both are prime numbers. 3 conditions fulfilled, they will form a pair. That is twin prime pair. Moving on further, segregating with a semicolon. Another number when you go on, it is 59 and 61. Both these numbers also, 59 is a prime number, 61 is also a prime number. When you subtract 59 from 61, the difference will be 2. So they are forming a twin, they both are prime numbers and they both together forms a pair. So this is also a twin prime pair. Moving on further, you will get 71 and 73. This is another twin prime pair. See, 71 is a prime number, 73 is also a prime number. When you find the difference, you will get 2. Okay? And they both come together to form a pair, so it is twin prime pair. Prime numbers, right? Prime numbers सिर्फ 1 के टेबल में आता है, खुद के टेबल में आता है. 71 comes in the table of 1 and 71 itself. 73 comes in the table of 1 and 73 itself. So the common factor between them two is what? 1. And उनका difference कितना आता है? 73 minus 71 gives me 2. So they form twin, prime and pair. So these are the twin prime pairs between 1 and 100. That is 3 and 5, 1 pair, 5 and 7, 1 pair, 11 and 13, 1 pair, 17 and 19, 1 pair, 29 and 31, 1 pair, 41 and 43, 1 pair, 59 and 61, 1 pair, 71 and 73, 1 pair. So these are a pair of prime numbers, twin prime numbers. Now we will move on further to the next question, that is the second question, which says that write which of them are co-primes. What is the meaning of co-primes? Co-primes means जैसे कि हम यहाँ पे फैक्टर देख रहे थे, दोनों का कॉमन फैक्टर शुड बी 1. यहाँ पे भी सेम कंडीशन है. यहाँ पे 3 कंडीशंस थे. कॉमन फैक्टर शुड बी 1. फर्स्ट, they should be prime numbers and the difference should be 2. Over here we were fulfilling 3 conditions. Over here in the second question we will fulfill only one condition, that is what? The common factor should be 1. मतलब एक दूसरे के टेबल में नहीं आने चाहिए. Okay, see if I tell you 2 and 4, ये दोनों किस किस टेबल में आते हैं? साथ मतलब आते हैं. So you'll say 1 के टेबल में आते हैं, 2 के टेबल में आते हैं. So can you see the common factor I am getting is 1 and 2, that is 2. No, not allowed. You just, the common factor should be what? 1. If suppose if I say 3 and 5, इन दोनों में कौन सा कॉमन फैक्टर आता है? जो 3 के टेबल में आती है, 3 के टेबल में भी आता है, 5 के टेबल में भी आता है, या फिर किसके टेबल में 3 और 5 दोनों आते हैं? तो 1. द आंसर इज 1. 1 3 are 3, 1 5 are 5. तो ये दोनों 1 के टेबल में आते हैं. दिस इज अलाउड. I need only one factor which is 1. Getting? So this is called as co-primes. मतलब एक दूसरे के टेबल में भी नहीं आना चाहिए, या तो एक कॉमन टेबल भी नहीं होना चाहिए जिसमें दोनों आए. फॉर सपोज 8 and 16, ये दोनों 4 के टेबल में भी आते हैं, 2 के टेबल में भी आते हैं, 1 के टेबल में भी आते हैं, 8 के टेबल में भी आते हैं. They have got so many factors, right? So this is not allowed. Only the common factor should be what? 1, like 3 and 5. So let us start with the question so that you will understand co-primes in detail. Till now you know only one, you have to check only one condition, that there should be one common factor which is 1 and not any other. So let us start with the first. 9 and 12, इनके बीच में 1 तो common factor होगा ही, सब में 1 होगा, right?